Okay, so we're live again. Welcome back to another live, guys. Hope everybody's doing great. We're finally at 5,000 likes, so we can get started with the analysis. Thank you, everybody, for helping me get to the 5,000 likes. And I encourage you guys to keep tapping even as you're listening to the live. Please continue to tap on your screen. Let's get the likes to 30,000 by the end of this live. Okay, we're going to be live at least an hour and a half. Okay, so let's try to get the likes to let's get the likes to at least 30,000. Okay, and those who are watching on the other platform, I cannot say the name, but it starts with a Y. Okay, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Okay, if you're watching the recording of this live, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Okay, towards the end of watching this video. Keep tapping on the screen, guys. Okay, so let's get started. Hi, I'm new. Welcome. I'm in a sell from 85. How far should my TP be? I have to analyze it to be able to tell you that. Okay, we are at 5:30. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, because a lot of things is happening here. Let's look at gold here. I'm gonna straight up go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's see. Right now, gold is at 26 what is it, 26? Yeah, it's currently at 26.82 there. We're currently at the resistance. Okay, resistance here. This is a very big resistance, 26.85 there, major resistance. So right now, if this current 1 hour candle closes bearish, gold is gonna drop, so we're gonna look for a sell. Okay, so far we are getting rejected on the lower time frame, which I'm gonna go there to check out soon. But for now, all we gotta know is that gold is currently at a resistance right now. Okay, the resistance is at 26.85, and if we get this current 1 hour candle to close bearish, then the price is gonna most likely sell. Okay, so we can enter along a swing trade back down to at least 26.74. Okay, so but it hasn't gotten rejected, so you cannot really enter that sell right now. Okay, and this is the 1 hour time frame. Here on this time frame, we can see we are in an uptrend. Okay, the market has been in an uptrend, and this uptrend hasn't been broken yet. Okay, it hasn't been broken because the price didn't break below this previous support, okay, which is at 26.65. Since it didn't break below that, this uptrend is still intact. We can see the price used it as support as it was dropping. Once the market went to 26.85 there, it then got rejected, started coming down. However, it made sure to hold above this support here, 26.865, and then it bounced back up. Okay, so this is great. If the price gets rejected at the current resistance here, it's most likely going to drop back down to this support. YouTube, there's no sound. Okay, so this is great. Wow. So on YouTube, can you guys hear me on YouTube? Let me know. I said the name. I should. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Can you guys hear me on YouTube? Can y'all hear me there? Let me know in the comment section if you can hear me. Can you hear me, guys? Am I audible on YouTube? Yeah, we can. Okay. So Clifford. I don't know why you cannot hear me, because the others can hear me. So check your volume, okay? Check your volume because others can hear me. Oh, it's fine. Okay, perfect. Okay, so yeah, so that's gold for you guys here. We're in an uptrend and currently at resistance. So if the price gets rejected, we will most likely sell. And on the daily time frame here, same thing. We can see the nice uptrend. And yeah, the price, I think I am anticipating that we're gonna break this resistance. Okay, anticipating that. So let's see if that's actually gonna happen. Okay, now let's look for good area. If price is gonna break this resistance, we want to join in on the buy. Right now, if buying at the current price, like right here, I need to figure out where is the best area to enter a buy. Okay, so to do that, we'll need to check out the lower time frame to find any good area of support that the price has. Okay, so on the 30 minutes, we do have some support here at 26.76 there. Okay, so this is a good area to look for potential buys. Let's look on the 30 minutes. Okay, I mean on the 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. There's nothing. Okay, so as of right now, okay, yeah, as of right now, seems like the good area to look for potential buy. If we're going to anticipate the price to break out of this resistance, we want to look to enter buyers around 26.79. Okay, that's the first good area to look for potential buys there. And we have a minor support here, which price is currently using to push back up here. As you guys can see, we have the support that price is actually using. So this could have been a small buying opportunity there, but price is already using that, so we can't really use that anymore. Okay, so yeah, the next best area to look for potential buy would be around 26.79 there. Okay, so that's where we'll look for potential buys. When the price comes, we'll look to buy there. That's number one. And if the price for whatever reason doesn't return at none of this level, then we will wait for the breakout. Okay, price needs to break this resistance, which is at 26.85, and then we will buy at the retest. Okay, so that's pretty much it here for gold. It's a very yeah, at this point we just want to wait. Okay, market is currently in the middle right now. We haven't gotten rejected. I'm going to be keeping an eye on the 1 hour time frame to see whether that rejection happens. There's still about how many minutes? Okay, there's still about, let's see, there's still about 34 minutes left for the 1 hour candle to close. So yeah, that's we got a long way to go. How do you detect support, please? I will explain it in a bit. Kindly bear with me here. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys, please. If you're watching this live right now and you're enjoying it so far, please double tap on your screen. Let's get the likes to 10,000, guys. Double tap on your screen. The TP for buys. Well, the TP for buys would have to be when the price comes. I usually target whatever resistance is above the price on the lower time frame. Okay, I can't really tell you the TP, but once the price comes here, then I'll know exactly where the TP will be. Okay, so that's gold. We're done with analysis for gold. That was a very quick analysis. Wow. Now let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, that's the next thing. We always start with gold and then we move to Bitcoin. So let's check out Bitcoin here. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's look at Bitcoin here. Let's check out what has happened so far since the last analysis this morning. For everybody who's just joining the live, welcome to the live. I hope you guys are doing great. What I'm doing here is analyzing the Forex and cryptocurrency market. I do this pretty much every single day when I come live, and I also do live trading here and provide you guys with so much information that can help you to really grow in your knowledge for trading, doing technical analysis, trading psychology, risk management, and all that. This is a great place to be in if you're a beginner. Follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group so you can get more information for free. The link to the Telegram group is in my bio. This is the place you want to be in, okay? Join the Telegram group. Timely and patient to your point of interest is also a factor to risk management. Yeah, that's very true. That is very true. Okay, so Bitcoin, what we are seeing, the price is currently trading at 67,558. Okay, 67,558. So that is the current price that Bitcoin is currently trading at. Okay, Now we have resistance here at 67,900, or let's just say 68,000, which price has failed to break multiple times. As you can see here, there's been multiple attempts to break that resistance, but for some reason price cannot seem to be able to break that resistance. And I told you guys on the last live from earlier this morning is that if we get rejected here again, we're most likely going to come back down to the support 66,600. all right, so I think Bitcoin is slowly making its way back down here. It's slowly making its way back down. So for Bitcoin here, I would enter a sell because of this rejection, but then I don't encourage doing that because that is counter trending and you don't want to be trading against the trend. Okay, it's not really a good strategy. It's best to trade with the trend. Okay, and Bitcoin right now is currently in an uptrend. So since it's in an uptrend, it means that the best buying opportunity, the best trading opportunity to take is a buy. Okay, and the areas where you want to look for buys is usually at support levels. Okay, and currently the support level for this Bitcoin price currently is at 66,500, around there, 66,500, 66,600. This is where the current support is, and this would be like the best area to look for buys for Bitcoin when the price gets to that level. Okay, so yeah, just be patient, wait for the price of Bitcoin to slowly make its way down here, and then if that support holds, then you go ahead and place your buy. You should never enter a buy just because the price is at support. It does not mean you should go and jump and start buying right away. Okay, you always want to wait for confirmation that the support is actually going to hold before you go ahead and enter your buy. Okay, so let me yeah, so you always want to wait for confirmation before you enter your buy. Okay, and what does the confirmation look like? Well, when the price comes to the support, what you want to do is you want to see a 1 hour candle closing at this support. Okay, and the reason why it has to be a 1 hour candle is because this is a support on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so based on the time frame you're looking at, okay, whatever time frame you have jot down that support the resistance, usually that's the time frame that you want to use as confirmation that the price is holding the support or the resistance. Okay, so that's basically it. So for Bitcoin right now, it's better. We're going to just wait for the price to come at 66,000, and then if it holds that, we go ahead and buy. All right, and for this uptrend that Bitcoin is currently in to continue, it has to make sure we don't break below 64,000. Okay, so that's now the key, most important level Bitcoin needs to hold for this uptrend to continue. Yeah, so 64,700 there. Okay, now let's check out the daily time frame. I actually did the reverse. Normally I'll start by analyzing the bigger time frames and then drop down to the lower time frame, but I did the Sarah, I was waiting. Okay. Nice. Okay, let me see. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys, please. Let's get the likes to 10,000, please. Double tap on your screen, guys. The more you like this live, it just gives more visibility to the live so that more people can join it and more people can learn more about trading. Okay, that's the goal. I'm trying to help as many people as I can to learn about trading, and I can only do this with you guys' help by tapping on your screen. That's why I want you guys to tap it, because it helps so that more people can see the live on TikTok. If there's not that many engagement or likes on the live, then TikTok is not really going to show the live to other people. So this is why I always say, please tap on the screen, tap on the screen. This is very, very helpful. So I really appreciate everybody who is tapping on the screen and stuff. Thank you very much. Okay, so yeah, so Bitcoin here, I on this daily time frame here, we are also in an uptrend here, as you can see. And as of right now, it's pretty obvious that the price is heading to 70,000. I think that's the main target for Bitcoin on this daily time frame. It's 70,000, and I think within the next few hours or tomorrow, okay, sometime this week, we should most likely see Bitcoin around 70,000. Okay, if not, then definitely by next week, Bitcoin is going to be around 70,000. Okay, so that's it. So Bitcoin, we want to look for buying opportunities, and our buying opportunities is around 66,600. Okay, and for a sell, for us to enter a sell, it means that Bitcoin would have to close 1 hour candle below 64,700 for us to start looking for selling opportunity. Okay, so that is it for Bitcoin. Let's head over down to check out 20k likes from me. Thank you, broker. Really appreciate it. Okay, so let's take a look at GBP USD. Yeah, GBP USD. Thank you so much to everybody who's helping me like this live. I really appreciate it. God bless you guys. And please make sure you join the Telegram group if you're not already in it. Thank you so much, Insurance. Thank you for the roses. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Please join the Telegram group, guys. If you're not in the Telegram group, then you're missing out. Okay, because on TikTok Live, I will take trades here and there, but if you want more signals and stuff, Telegram group is where you want to be. If you want to get more knowledge, more information, Telegram group is where you want to be at. Okay, so don't waste time, don't be left behind. Go to my TikTok bio right now and join it. All right, and guys, in case you were wondering what broker do I use to trade Forex and crypto, well, there's two brokers that I use. The first one is abato.com and the other one is fxcc.com. This is two of the best brokers to use if you are in Canada or anywhere around the world. It works very great, and these brokers, they offer very low spread and zero commission. So this is actually very good to help you save money on trading fees. You can sign up with these brokers by going to my bio right now, and you'll see a link there to these brokers. Okay, it's listed on the recommended brokers #1, and then the other one, recommended brokers #2. Just choose whichever one you want to sign up with and start trading. In order to start trading Forex or crypto, you need to register with a broker. Okay, and there's a lot of brokers out there. These two I found to be the best. So sign up and start trading. All right. So GBP USD daily time frame, looking at it right now, it's currently in an uptrend. Okay, currently an uptrend. However, it looks like this uptrend has ended because unfortunately GBP USD broke below this very critical support here, which is at 1.2991 here. This was our previous low here, which was a very critical level for GBP USD to not break. However, unfortunately it broke it, and because of that, this is most likely going to start pushing the price further down. Okay, the next major support for GBP USD is around, on the daily time frame, it's around 1.27. okay, now because price broke below this level, now we want to look for selling opportunity. Okay, that's what we want to look for now. We want to look to sell. So, but don't sell right away here. Okay, it's best to wait for a retest before you actually enter a sell. It broke the it broke the support, which is great. Now we want the price to go and retest it. Okay, retest that support that it just broke. It's going to retest it. Once that retest is successful, then it's going to go ahead and fall down. The resistance now is between 1.30 and 1.3093. okay, so that's between 1.3022 and 1.3093 94, around there. Okay, so this purple box that I have here, that is basically where the resistance is now on this daily time frame here. Okay, so that would be the best area for you to look for sell when the price pushes back up to around 1.3022. If it keeps going higher there, the good area to be looking to enter a sell. Okay, and if you want to buy, then you want to wait for the price to break above 1.31. Okay, which is most likely not going to happen anytime soon. Okay, I don't think because this pair has entered a long-term downtrend here, so yeah, I don't think it's going to break back above. I'm checking the 4-hour time frame here. On the 4-hour time frame, I can pretty much see the same thing that's happening right now. Okay, so even on the 4-hour time frame, it is in a downtrend here, and our resistance is about the same level here, 1.30. We can see that on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so yeah, so that's it on the 4-hour time frame. And then lastly, let's check the 1 hour to see what's going on here. And yeah, 1 hour time frame, pretty much the same thing here. We are in downtrend. There's no sort of uptrend. Okay, so both the 4-hour, 1 hour, and daily time frame are all currently in a downtrend. Okay, they're all currently in a downtrend here. Now 1 hour is stopped right over here. Okay, we stopped as the price dropped. We can see we built support around 1.2983, and then price used it to push back up. It came back down and it's holding that support, so this is actually most likely going to push the price back up. Okay, so I'm anticipating the price to go back up here. Okay, as a result of this support that we just built here. Yeah, it didn't break it, so let's just mark this down here. Okay, so this could be a good area to look for buys, and then target this high here as you take profit, which is 1.3031. Okay, that could be a good level to target. Now let's see this. The current candle here is bearish. Okay, but I've already entered the buy anyways. Okay, because the price, as I made it back here, it held the support. Okay, so I'd enter buy there, and then in terms of like stop loss, let's see, I will go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, and we want to set our stop loss below the previous low here, which is at 1.2940. okay, so 1.29, 1.2934. okay, so 1.2934 is where we would want to set our stop loss there. If we're going to take this buy right now on GBP USD. Okay, and I'm watching gold right now. I can see it's currently at the second support. If it holds that second support, then we're going to enter a buy for gold. Okay, it is at the support, but it hasn't held it yet, so we can't enter a buy yet. We want to enter a buy for GBP USD. Market execution, yeah, pretty much. We enter, we always place our trade through market order. Are you from Canada? Yeah, I am from Canada. Okay. So GBP USD, it is most likely a buy, and I think the price is heading back up to 1.3031. So this could be a quick buying opportunity to take. Okay, for GBP USD and target 1.3034 there as your take profit, or even 31. Okay, let's just say 31 there. Take your profit around there. So now gold is holding our support, so I'm going to enter a quick buy. I'm going to enter a quick buy from gold, and I will place this trade on abato.com. Okay, so if you guys want to take this buy with me, for gold, Do that here. Okay. Targeting 2681 as a take profit number one. I don't know why the Abaro is not loading. I need to open it up again. For GBP USD, I will write it down for you guys. Just give me a second, y'all. Literally, yeah. So the TP for gold is right here. TP number one just got hit. This was a very quick buy, guys. Okay, I took it very quick. TP number one got hit. The price returns back to this zone again and holds it. That could be enter the trade again. Okay, because this is, so price already tapped into the support, it held it, so this is great. If it comes back again the second time and holds it, you can enter another buy. Okay, so TP number one was at 2681, which just got hit. Second TP is at 2683. Okay, and then I forgot to set the stop loss here. Let me just write it down for you guys. So in terms of like stop loss, let me write it down. $26.74. Okay. I know it's a huge stop loss, but there's very low chance it's gonna get hit. So 26.74. I'm gonna set it there. Okay. So far the gold trade has played out. We hit our first TP. If you didn't enter this trade, it would be best to wait for the price to either return back to this support. Okay, wait for the price to return to this support. You're trying to enter another buy. Okay, let me read the comments. Thank you. Someone take. Okay. Are you taking a buy on GBP USD? Yes, I am. Okay, I will mark it down. Let's head over to GBP USD. See, how did you know when to take the buy and how the support was there? Yeah, that's actually a great question. I will explain it to you very soon. Just give me a second, right? So GBP USD, I'm gonna enter a quick buy here and then target 1.3024 as the take profit. Okay. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 20,000, please. So 1.3070 would be the second take profit for GBP USD. And so 1.3070. Okay. So for GBP/USD, it's just to take profit, okay? Because the market is in a downtrend right now. We're not going to target any 1.2939. Okay, 1.2939. Okay, so that's the trade for GBP/USD, and I'm gonna take this trade on abaro.com. That is a broker that I use and recommend for you guys to use. Okay, really great broker. They offer zero commission and low spread. You're gonna save a lot of money on trading fees by trading on abaro.com. Go and sign up right now, guys. It's completely super easy. It will take you 5 minutes or less. Sign up and start trading right away. Link is in the bio. Okay, gold is about to hit the second TP, which is at 26.83. If you're still holding the trade, I would start closing the I'll start taking profit now. Okay, start taking the profit now, because this is a very risky buy that we took, because we're buying at the top. Okay, we're buying near a resistance, so that's very extremely risky. So you don't want to be greedy and try to aim higher. Just start taking profit right away. Yeah, so this is the SL for GBP/USD there. I wrote it down, 1.2939. Okay, we see the chart for gold. Sure. Good morning. Good morning, abundance. See, how did you know how to take the buy? How did you know when to take the buy and how the support was there? Okay, so let me answer that question right now. Okay, so this is what the gold chart looks like, by the way. We're currently, this is the 1 hour time frame. Currently the price is there's 1 hour left. I mean, not 1 hour, there's 8 minutes left for this 1 hour candle to close. If this 1 hour candle closing is bearish, this is going to send the price down. Okay, this is going to send the price back down to 26.73, 26.76, around there. Okay, so we could look for a sell opportunity once this 1 hour candle closes bearish. There's about 8 minutes left for that to happen. All right, now let me explain to you why we took earlier, a moment ago, we took a buy over here, and someone was asking in the comment section, how did I know to buy there and how did I know the support? Okay, so number one, the reason why I bought here, okay, this is where I bought right here. I bought at that level because that is a level of support. Okay, it's the support that price built on another time frame. Right now I use the 1 minute time frame as confirmation to enter buy here, but this support is something that I was able to draw on another time frame. Okay, so I believe it was, let me try to see here, it is not the 1 hour time frame. Okay, it's not the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 30 minutes. Okay, the support is actually on the 30 minutes and the 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes and 30 minutes is where I was able to get this support. Now, how is this? How did I know this is a support? Well, it's because we see the formation of a red candle followed by a green candle. Okay, this is how I know that is a level of support. Whenever there is a red candle followed by a green candle, okay, whenever there's a red candle followed by a green candle, this is support. Okay, so I basically check all the time frame, all the lower time frames, to see if there was any formation of a red candle followed by a green candle, okay, below the price, because the price was up here and I wanted to see if there's any formation of red followed by green below the price, and I was able to see that on the 30 minutes and the 15 minutes. So So this is why I drew this rectangle box here that you see here. Okay, this I want to make it a darker blue to see it better, but this rectangle box here is basically the support. And now whenever you're drawing your support, you draw it as a zone. Usually you want to connect those two candlesticks. Okay, put those two candlesticks within your rectangle box. Between, you connect it from the top of the wick and the bottom of the wick. Okay, whichever one is the highest, you just want to have both of those candlesticks together. Okay, now this one here, you may notice I actually don't have two candlesticks within. I mean, I have two candlesticks, but the entire thing is not in. I just have the red candlestick that's within the box, but the blue one or the bullish candlestick is actually not fully inside the box. If I wanted to have it fully inside the box, then that means I have to draw have this rectangle box all the way up here, but I didn't do that just because of the size. Because of the size of this candle, I just didn't do that, you know, just yeah, I just didn't. Sometimes I don't do it, but most of the time I would have it like this. I have two candlesticks within this box. Okay, so I just didn't do it because it wouldn't make sense, because at the time the price was actually all the way up here already, so it wouldn't make sense all the way here, because where the hell would I be buying, right? So that's why I just put it down here, and then I basically now go on the 1 minute and wait for the price to come down to that level. When the price comes down to that level, I will now wait to see confirmation that that support is being held. Once I see that it's being held, I go ahead and buy. I'm having a hard time understanding your strategy. Okay, well, it takes time. I understand it can sound a bit complicated. You just need to practice, and you will eventually understand it. Okay, a small bearish candle followed by a long bullish candle. No, the size of the candle does not matter. Okay, as long as there is a bearish candlestick, okay, a bearish candlestick followed by a bullish candlestick at a support level. Okay, this is I mean, not at a support level, sorry. Whenever there's a bearish candle followed by green candle, that is basically how a support is formed. Okay, that's how support is formed. And then the more green candle, or red candle you see at that same level, the stronger that support becomes. Okay, but for support to be built, first thing we need to see is a red candle followed by a green candle. Why is that? Is because red candle shows that price was going down. The green candle tells you that the price stopped going down. So that green candle basically made that level now a support, and it pushes the price back up. Okay, it pushes the price up, and that's why is a support. Okay, the shape of the candle, the size of the candle does not matter. It is the color that matters. I watched your live today and I really understand your strategy. Awesome. So you just trade off support and resistance level basically and wait for it to break those levels. When I'm scalping, yes, when I am scalping, that's pretty much what I do. Okay, and when I'm day trading, which means I'm entering like trades where I will stay in it for a few hours or a day, then I am trading with the trend. Okay, that's when I will basically trade with the trend. Okay, but this strategy is only for scalping. Okay, it is only for scalping. Does it apply to BTC? It applies to pretty much every pairs out there. Can you do top-down analysis from high time frame? Are you just doing support resistance levels? Yeah. So every time when there is a red followed by a green candle at the bottom, it is support. Yeah, that is a support that's built. Guys, I go more in details about this strategy in the trading class. Okay, so if you want to learn more about it, make sure you sign up for my trading class. The next one is starting on October 21st. Okay, You should check out the wave trend indicator by Lazy Bear. Thank me later. Yeah, I'm good. I don't really use indicators because they're very they lag a lot, and they tend to be very like not reliable. So I don't really use indicators. I just use pure price action to be able to know where the market is heading. What is your win rate? My win rate is around 70 to 80%. You can go to my Telegram group, so you can see all the signals that I shared there. A lot of my signals hit take profit, so you can go check it out. Yeah, so let me continue. You guys are asking a lot of questions today, which is awesome. I really appreciate that. It means that you guys actually want to learn, which is great. Okay, the more questions you ask, the better. But isn't it too late once you post your signals though? Not really. The signals you can re-enter multiple times, okay? Because the price tends to hit the take profit multiple times. It will return to the entry a few times, go back to the first take profit. So you can pretty much re-enter the trade multiple times. I sell now. Will it go to support again? Oh, the 1 hour candle just closed. Let's go check it out. Just too much. Just too much. Okay, so we just got on the 1 hour time frame. This is a sell right there. The price is most likely going to sell. Okay. So I'm going to enter a small sell here for gold here. Okay. And set the stop loss at 26.87. The money you sold from me, I will really. Hey Reggie, I think I spoke to you earlier this morning. You know, the person, whoever took your money, it was not me. You have to understand, I have a lot of fake accounts under my name on TikTok, and a lot of them are using it to, like, you know, take money from people. So whoever you spoke to, it is not me, Reggie. Okay, so I would appreciate it if you can stop sending those comments in the comment section. I've never sent you a message. Okay. So guys, please be careful, okay? If you get any message from anybody telling you to send money or whatever, just know it is not me, because I will never send you a message first. I will never message you asking you to send me money and stuff. So be very careful. Oh, Reggie. Yeah, it's unfortunate you fell for it. Oh well. So, even though I'm telling him it is not me, he's still getting mad. Oh well. Unfortunate. Okay, so I just entered a sell on gold. Okay, TP number 1 is at 26.76. Okay, 26.76 here. TP number 1. Number 2 is at 26.73. Number 3 is at 26.70. Okay, 26.70 here. So I'm gonna just write down this target here. stop